Hey guys, super excited to be sharing this month's October doodle. I am using the stencils from my seasonal icon set and drawing some pumpkins. So I'm outlining the little pumpkin and then the larger one behind it. Whichever you do first always comes out in front. So it allows you to create some depth when stacking stencils or stencil designs. And so I'm drawing the stalk here and then adding some lines. And then I'm going to use sort of arcs to create the rounded portions of the pumpkin. So I'm doing the big pumpkin first and then using the little one after. And I'm using a Copic multi-liner in the size 0.3 in black to outline here. And the washi tape I got from Amazon. It fits really nicely with the Hobonichi Week stencil set, as you'll see later on this video. To create a drop shadow, I like to kind of add an outline towards the left of the items that I'm drawing, thinking that the sun is coming from the upper right. So here I'm using a Karen's brush pen to letter in October, and I think I just abbreviate OCT here since the paper that I cut out wasn't that large. And then I'm going back in with the Copic multi-liner to outline the October letters, and then you'll see in a little bit that I'll add in a little bit of a shadow. Here I'm just kind of darkening the bottom part or the bottom half of October. So here's the shadow or the outline first and then the shadow. So I typically pick an area where I'm going to do the shadow. So for here to the right of the colored portion of the markered image, if that makes sense. And I can do a future video showcasing how I do my lettering. If you guys are interested, comment down below. So I'm just kind of doing little hash marks here to create some depth. So my favorite part's coming up next is the removal of the washi tape. So I'm very slowly peeling so it doesn't peel off any bit of the paper. And now I'm using the Hobonichi Weeks stencil set to create the banner. As you can see, this is the perfect size for that washi tape. And here I am outlining. And I'll try and link the washi tape in my Amazon storefront page down below. And all the stencils will be linked below as well. But here I'm making the banner, adding the little flags on the side. And then you just create diagonals on the bottom and then hash vertically to create the depth of the banner. And then I go in and write October. Since I didn't have all the room up top, it's nice I can write it inside the banner. And I had a little bit of room, so I added some kind of squiggly vine here. Adding in the vines and leaves are a nice way to cover up and add in the empty spaces. So you can decide to color in your drawing or not. I ended up using some of the Karen brush markers to color in and outline the leaves and vines. And then I went in with my Tombow brush pen to color in the pumpkins. And since the little pumpkin's in front, I made him a slightly lighter orange. And to create depth, I made the one behind it a little bit darker. I don't know if it's as obvious in this video, but those subtle differences can make a difference in your artwork at the end. And then coloring the stalk with my brush pen. So I used some scissors to cut it out, and then I taped it into my happy planner in the monthly spread. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys next time.